How to create a playlist on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can create a playlist on Spotify. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. In order to create a playlist on Spotify, you want to first open up or launch the Spotify application. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to see 4 different options: home, search, your library, and premium. You want to simply tap on your library. Once you do so, at the top you can see your library option, and beside it at the right hand side at the top right corner you can see plus icon. You want to tap on it and then simply select the playlist option since you want to create a playlist. Once you do so, you want to rename the playlist. So once you rename it, you can simply tap on create and it'll be created. Now once you do so, you can simply tap on add to this playlist and you can go ahead and select the songs that you wish to add, and beside the song you can simply tap on plus icon and you can add it to demo. So this way you can create a playlist on Spotify. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.